Hello. This video shows you how to make basic sales and payment transactions in the Hotellinx cloud point of sales. The video also shows you how to sell with adjusted product prices, how to sell more than one item of the same product in one transaction, how to modify a row on a bill, and how you can settle a bill with several payment methods. Simply press the product button to add the product to the open bill shown on the screen. When you press the product button, the product shows up on the left-hand side of your screen as a row on the open bill. This affects the open balance of the bill. When you're finished adding products and want to settle the bill, press the button for the payment method that you want to use. Cash prints a receipt on your default receipt or invoice printer and at the same time settles the bill. Card payment types may just add a payment to the bill or also send the payment to a credit card device. If you want to preview the receipt or invoice before it's printed, select Show Print window before printing. If you want to sell more than one item of a product in one transaction, enter the number of items before you press the product button. If you for some reason sell a product at another price than the standard one, enter the amount before you press the product button. Note that all users don't have the rights to do this. You can change the number of items or the amount on a row also afterwards, using the Mod button. Again, note that all users may not have the rights to modify bills. Rows can be removed from a bill with the Del button. All users may not be allowed to remove rows from a bill, and user rights may also be restricted to removing only same-day postings, that is, postings made before the night audit is run. If a guest wants to pay part of their bill with, for example, cash and the rest with a credit card, enter the amount that is paid with cash and press the cash payment button. The open balance is updated to reflect the part payment, and you can now add another payment to settle the bill. Thank you for watching this video about basic sales and payment transactions in the Hotellinx cloud point of sales. And don't forget to watch our other videos as well to learn more Hotellinx cloud functions and features.